Let's make an epic BLT wrap. And I'm also going to show you how I pack it inside of a lunchbox with the sides and keep it fresh for hours till lunch. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share lots of school lunch ideas and the meals that I like to make for my family. If that's your thing, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few times a week. To make this BLT, I am using a large tortilla wrap. The burrito size is what you want. And I cooked 2 strips of bacon in the microwave really quickly, but you could also use bacon bits for that. The first thing I'm gonna do is spread a little bit of mayo on top of my tortilla. The mayo is the glue that holds all my ingredients together, so when I close my wrap and roll it up, everything stays nice and tightly inside. On top of my mayo, I'm gonna place my lettuce. I finally shredded some romaine lettuce, but you can use iceberg too. And you wanna place it right in the middle of your wrap. The bacon, you could place it on top of the lettuce like this, but it makes it a little tough to bite through it. So what I like to do is take a knife and coarsely chop the bacon into pieces so I get some bacon in every bite. And I'm just gonna place the bacon pieces on top of my lettuce. Now for this BLT wrap, you could use small cherry tomatoes and slice them in half and place them on top of your lettuce and bacon, or a whole tomato. I'm gonna use a whole tomato so I can share with you my tips for folding this wrap with tomato slices. First, I'm gonna slice up my tomato. I prefer to cut them nice and thin so it folds better inside of my wrap. Thick tomato slices don't always roll up well. And then I'm going to slice these in half so I can take the tomato halves and place them on top of my wrap like this. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always include them on my videos for you. As you can see, I've got the lettuce, the bacon, and the tomato still in the middle of my wrap, and now it's time to fold it. To fold your wrap, simply fold the sides in, and from the back, tuck it forward, fold it over, and with your fingers, tuck everything in and roll it up. If your lunch container is big enough, you can just place the entire wrap inside like this. If you want to slice it in half, you simply take your large knife and slice it right through the middle. Let me show you what it looks like. Bacon, tomato, so good. Now that I've sliced my wrap in half, I'm gonna place it in my lunch container in here. I'm also gonna put some fresh fruit on the side. Today I'm using some strawberries and blueberries that I've already have sliced. Now to bulk up this BLT wrap with the fruit, I'm going to also pack a side of fresh veggies plus some hummus dip in this mini lidded container, which I'll link below for you. And this all together is a nice meal that my teens usually bring to school. So of course you can size up or size down these school lunches to meet your needs. All I have to do is place the lid on both of these containers and refrigerate it until it's time to pack it inside the lunch bag with or without an ice pack, and zip it up, and now it's ready to go. For more awesome lunch ideas like this one, check the links below the video. See you next time.